Hi everybody, this is Serb Shah back on day with another video, and once again without the mic. I brought the mic with me, but it didn't want to work. My brand new DJI mic. But another day, another video, some more shopping. This is one of the cars that I use the least. I absolutely like it. It's just that I'm a bit too careful with it. And one thing that usually inspire me to use things more is with the help of music. And with this car, I on purpose haven't done, I haven't changed the stereo in it. Well, I have changed it, but it's a 96 stereo with the CD player instead of the 95 with the cassette deck. And I on purpose keep this car original. I don't want to do anything too modern as I've done with that one. So the solution is a FM transmitter. I can start with showing you. So as you can see, the outlet inlet is very small, very narrow with space. So I couldn't fit just any FM transmitter. I used to have one with a swan neck, but I don't like the big things. So I just searched on Amazon, and as usual, LENCENT came up. Probably because I bought like 10 of them the last couple of years. But this one seems to fit my needs. And it has a charging cable inside it. Extra inlet so I can put a dash cam in this car as well. Use that inlet. And it has a microphone that is important to me. So let's try it out. So let's try if that angle works with both sound and video. So kind of big, but that doesn't bother me too much, and it feels sort of light plastic, cheap plastic. But it should only be in one car and stay there. And it works and it fits. And what I liked about this one, except from is having that big space so he can be in a narrow spot, is that I can use it both like that and like that. So I'm gonna put it like this and have it like that. So the mics are here. Let me show you. Let me show you like this instead. So I will use it like this. So I have the two mics here, and on top we have the USB-A, USB-C. We have the charging cable that was kind of long. I don't know how long it is, but long enough for my usage. And yeah, it won't disturb anything, won't look weird, and I will absolutely use it. So let's plug it in. Well, one thing to complain about, you can use it like this, but display will be upside down. So the display only works if you have it on this side, which I can't. Yeah. So I think it would fit most cars if the display would be the other side up, since the ports are there. So yeah, so it seems like they've made it for you to use it like this, and with the ports in the bottom. And even on the box, the PR pictures are with the display upside down. So I don't know how they thought there. Yeah, it works. Maybe a bit low volume, and it irritates me that it's upside down. So when I want to put a track forward, that goes back. So I need to go back to put the track forward. But yeah, it does the job. I use one of these to be upside down. That's it. And it would be good that when I use the cable to charge the phone, it would also be transferring music as well. That should be a good idea. All right, so one funny weird thing on LENCENT homepage, the display is what I would say on the right side, like upwards. And on Amazon, where I order it, same pictures, same thing, the display is upwards. So I don't get it at all. Did they send me, let's see, did they send me a wrong one, or I don't get it at all.